What is intrusion? Intrusion is the first branch of the 4 rights of privacy, and it is essentially the purest form of the right of privacy because it's what people think of when they think of their privacy. Specifically, it is when you are in a location where you have a reasonable expectation of privacy. So if you're in your own home, you expect that that's going to be private. If you're in your own backyard, you expect that that's going to be private. If you're in your own office, you expect that that's going to be private. And that reasonable expectation of privacy has to be invaded by physical or electronic means. Physical being, typically you think of trespass, somebody, a peeping Tom, somebody scaling a fence. The other one is intrusion by electronic means, which would be a telephoto lens. Somebody shooting from a great distance into your yard or into your house or into a location where you have an expectation of privacy. In future videos we'll talk about specific court cases discussing intrusion, but today we'll talk about 2 cases in the news. The first case involves a Rutgers college student and his gay roommate. The student, for whatever reason, set up a webcam to spy on the gay roommate, and the webcam caught his roommate making love with another man. The roommate tweeted out, posted the video out there, and when the gay roommate found out about it, he was so distraught that he jumped off the George Washington Bridge and killed himself. And the student who had run the webcam and posted it was charged with and found guilty of invasion of privacy. The second case in the news involves Jennifer Aniston, who has a penchant for sunbathing topless. She sunbathes topless in her own backyard, but she sunbathes topless. First time she was out sunbathing, a photographer scaled her fence, climbed the fence to take pictures over the top of the fence. And it was intrusion by trespass. The second photographer took pictures of Jennifer Aniston sunbathing topless with a telephoto lens from a public road 300 yards away. Now, she didn't know either photographer was there, and she had a reasonable expectation of privacy. She sued both and recovered hundreds of thousands of dollars to settle these cases because it was an intrusion into an area that people would expect to have privacy. And that's your own house, your own backyard, your own office. If you're in a public place, you expect privacy in a changing room, you expect privacy in a restroom. And this is the branch of the right of privacy that lets you maintain that privacy. Next, we'll talk about intrusion by the paparazzi.